Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we'll be looking at a successful spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, if you are the type that have been looking for an opportunity to trade spikes in boom and crash, or the drop down candle in crash and the spikes in boom, then you should watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to explain to you step by step on how you can achieve this successfully. Okay, but before going into that fully, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately, and um make sure you practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account. Do not use your real account to practice and perfect your skills on your demo account before trying it out, trying any of the strategies shared here on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you like to know more about my trading strategy, or you like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel so that you can learn directly from me. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, quickly let's go back into what we have for today, which is a successful spikes trading strategy for bull and crash. So we're going to go straight into that so that we will understand how to go about it. Like I said, if you want to trade spikes, then you need to know the exact trend of the market. Then you must be comfortable seeing rates, because sometimes you might place an order and it won't come up with a spike immediately. Okay, it can go for like 2 3 or even 5 minutes sometimes before you start seeing spike. But the good thing is, if you are sure of the trend, then you will be able to make some good profit with it. You won't be locked out of the market for a very long time. Okay, so let's see how we can do this successfully, and we're going to be using the QDC scraper indicator to explain here. Okay, like I said, you need to know the general trend of the market. Okay, before, this is what we do in order to know the general trend of the market. We try to look at the higher time frame in order to know the general trend of the market. But this time around, the QDC scraper indicator is making it very easy for us to do, combining the two together, as in you knowing the general trend of the market and you knowing the exact trend of the market at that particular point. You can do all this even on any of the time frame without going to higher or lower time frame in order to get this right. Okay, so I'm on 1 minute time frame, and I can easily analyze the general trend of the market from the 1 minute time frame, and I can know the exact trend even on the lower time frame. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, I'm going to explain to you here. You can see the indicator, the last indicator here in the third indicator window. Okay, it's telling us the general trend of the market even on 1 minute time frame, while the one in the middle is telling us the exact trend at this particular time. That is why you see green for a short period, then you see red again turning into green. But if you should check the third indicator, you keep on seeing green for a very long time before you start seeing red. Okay, that is how to go about it. Then on the main chart, the candle indicator is also showing us the exact trend of the market. That is why you are seeing the green candles, the brown candles. You can see it showing up there. Then we have our signals popping up. So how do we go about it? Okay, you don't need to follow the signals immediately you need to be sure of the trend first. Okay, most especially the general trend of the market. So let's see the general trend of the market. For the general trend of the market, in boom, it is best traded, spikes is best traded when the market is on uptrend, in or when the market is about embarking on uptrend. That is when you trade spikes successfully. But in crash, it is best traded when the market is on crash on downtrend or about embarking on downtrend. So how do we know this? Okay, so you can, let's go back to the third indicator window, and we have our yellow bars and the uptrend arrow popping out here. So I'm going to highlight it so that we know where it popped out from and when we should go into the trade. This is where it popped out from, and that is even before the exit arrow of the uptrend arrow popping out. Okay, just after that, you can see we've got, like I said, this is just telling you to get ready to trade. Sometimes it takes time before it starts picking up trade, but it is just telling you to get ready to trade. But once it starts, you start seeing the green bars showing. Okay, so right now the green bars are showing on this arrow, which means you should place your buy order here. So let's say we placed our buy order on this. So I'm going to use the horizontal line also to map the candle out, so that when we are taking the chart forward, we will be able to know our entry point if the price action actually went below the entry point. So let's see, you can see it started spiking almost immediately. Sometimes it won't be almost immediately. It was spiking. Just because it is on uptrend does not mean it won't come down for a while. It will also come down. You can see it coming down and spiking again, coming down. So let's see it. You can see that even though it was coming down, it didn't get to our entry point. You can see it keeps on going. So far all these greens are still there. You can still hold your capital, hold your trade till the very last, because you are still in uptrend. More spikes will happen. You will have more spikes than the downtrend candles. Okay, this is very vital and important. And if you want to hold your trade to the very end, there are two things you need to look out for. Make sure you have enough trading capital, and also make sure you are using a reasonable lot size that can help you to hold your capital even when the market is trying to reverse. You can see it reversed several times. You can see it reversed here, but just that it never it didn't take us out of the trading market. And where should you exit this trade? If you are using a good capital and a good lot size, you should exit here. You should exit here, because at this particular point it shows us that it is starting the downtrend region. It is starting with the downtrend. Okay, you can see the so much profit you will have made. This is your entry point. You can see it here. This is your entry point, and check out your exit points. This is your exit point. That is amazing profit, isn't it? So these are some of the things, some of the results some of the students were practicing, and they practiced and perfected, and they try it out on their real account, and they've been making cool cash with that. Okay, this is amazing. You can see the downtrend started from here, and ever since it's been going down. You can see the rates, and it's been going down. If I wanted to trade this, all I just need to do is just to place an order here, and it will keep on going down till the very last. Okay, this is how it works. This is how you can use it to trade successfully, so that you can milk the market successfully. So I'll be stopping here for now. I'll be stopping here for now. If you have any information, or you have any question about this video or any of my videos, or you want to ask more questions about this indicator, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell beside it, so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you, and God bless you. Watch out for my next video.